Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the curve. Now from both ends, let's curve it up and down. And then underneath, let's curve it back down. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up on both sides. And then add a small oval inside at the top. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Now top on top, and let's draw a curve. And the same on the right. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down underneath in the center, and let's draw a curve going the other way. And then curve it out and back in like this. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and draw the nose. At the top, let's draw a sideways oval. And then another one inside at the top. And color the rest of the nose in black. Now top down, and let's draw the mouth. Underneath, let's draw a curve going up on the right. And then another curve at the end. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move back up and let's draw a curve down on both sides for the sides of the head. And then two curved V-shapes on both sides for the ears. Now top in the ears, and let's draw a curve at the bottom. And then two more curves coming up to a point. Now top in between the ears, and let's draw a curve across in the center for the top of the head. And then bring it down on both sides. Now let's continue the lines on the other side of the ear with a curve going down. And then a curve back up at the ends. Now top up, and let's draw another longer curve down. And then from the bottoms, let's curve it back up. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve down and then curve it back up. And then let's add a large oval inside. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Let's start with two curves down on the left, and the same thing on the right. And then a longer curve across at the ends. Now from both ends, let's draw a curve down and in. And then the same thing underneath. And then connect it at the bottom. Next, underneath, from the inside, let's draw a curve down and back in. And the same on the right. And then a curve down at the ends. Now top to the outside, and let's draw an angled line down. And then bring it underneath and back up. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 curves down underneath on the left. And the same on the right side. And then close it off underneath with a curve. Now for the tops of the boots, let's hop up from the bottom and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. And the same thing again underneath. And then connect them at the bottom. Now top underneath, and let's draw a curve down from the inside. And then an angled curve down and out. And now let's close off the bottom of each foot. Now inside each foot, let's draw 2 curves going down. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom right of the body, let's draw a curve going down, and then curve it back in. And that's it for Sonic. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!